Hello guys, this one that you can see now is a stomach from a pork. We need the stomach to make the ventricina. That is a really typical Italian salami. If you have saw already the video of the capocollo, I put the capocollo inside the skin of the stomach of the pork. Now we will do the same, but this is the original recipe. This recipe is usually from Molise or Abruzzo region. Now we will clean the stomach inside and we will keep only the skin. Outside we will wash under the water in the basin, and after we will wash in 1 liter of water with 1 tablespoon of vinegar. We wash very well, we remove from the water and we put under the salt. Wrap with a plastic wrap and we store in the fridge. You can store also 1 month, but we will do our salami in few days. So see you maybe tomorrow. After that we have cleaned the stomach, we keep only the skin. We wash the skin in the water. After we take 1 liter of water and we add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. We put the stomach with 150 to 100 grams of sea salt. We cover with a plastic wrap and we store in the fridge. Okay, I found the fennel, so now we can prepare our ventricina. We need 800 grams of pork meat. You can use the shoulder, the legs, the nice meat of the pork, plus 200 grams of fat of the pork, so you can use the belly or the lard. Upon 1 kilogram of meat, you need 27 grams of salt, 15 grams of sweet pepper, and half tablespoon of fennel. If you like the spicy version, you can add also some chili powder, or like we call in Italy, you can add the peperoncino. Now we will cut the meat in big pieces, especially not the fat, but the meat, piece like a thumb. We put the spices in the meat, we massage a little bit the meat, and after we wait 1 hour. After 1 hour we will put inside the stomach. So see you later. We add half of the spices, we mix. We complete with the remaining spices. And we work with the hands. Okay, I take my stomach, I put with 1 liter of water and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now I wash it, I will remove from the water and we will put the meat inside. After we should tie very well and make some hole with a nail, because one important thing is that no air remain inside our pork casing or stomach, pork or what you will use it. After that we tied, we should keep at room temperature for 24 hours. After 24 hours at room temperature, we put in the fridge. You can see that with it there is also the dry sausage. See you in 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, our ventricina is more dry, and also the color is different. Now it's red because the color is coming from the pepper or the paprika that we have put inside. You can see also one of our dry sausage disappear. spettacolo. Also with the special guest, l'uomo di casa.
Hello.
You will find the link of his channel in the description, in the comments of the video. And also you will find all that information about homemade salami. Okay guys, see you next time. Remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos, to share the video with your friends. Any question, any suggestion down in the comments. Bye bye.
Bye bye. I'd like a beer.